In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Windows search menu and type in settings. Best result, you go back with settings, open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Notifications. Versus Do Not Disturb, notifications will be sent directly to the Notification Center. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.